Okay, in this video, I'd like to describe how you can find a particular file within a folder hierarchy. And so in this video, we're going to be searching for the CSV file that we downloaded from the UCI data repository that we saved in our training folder. So just to remind ourselves of that file, we can ls to look inside our training folder, and there's the CSV file bank marketing. And so let's say that we are trying to find all CSV files within a folder hierarchy starting in the current folder. And so to do so, you could use the find command and say, let's start our search in the current folder, which you can use shorthand, the period, as shorthand for the current folder. And we're looking for files with a particular name. And we're going to say the file name can be anything, but we want them to be CSV files. And so we'll hit enter, and it found bankmarketing.csv because it had .csv in the file name. This example is quite trivial because it's the only thing inside this folder. So let's make it a little more realistic by adding another folder and file inside our current training folder. So let's make another folder with makedir, and we can just call it another folder. We'll go into that folder and create another CSV file called, let's say, temp.csv. And so now if we go back out and do an ls on our training folder, you can see that we have another folder in there and also bank marketing. Another tool that you can download and install to see the folder hierarchy a little more cleanly is a function called tree. And so if you use tree on the current folder, you can see that the current folder includes the file called bankmarketing.csv and then another folder, and within another folder is the CSV file called temp. So now let's use the find command again to try to find our CSV file. So I'm going to use clear just to clean things up, and then go back to find, starting in our current folder, and find files with the name that have any file name but end in .csv. And now you can see it found two files because it walks the folder hierarchy and finds all CSV files starting from our current folder all the way down any intermediate or subsequent folders. So something you could do to find bank marketing specifically is if you know that it starts with the word bank, you could change your command to say, let's find anything that starts with bank and then has anything after. And then it'll just find the one file. One other thing you can do to say, I want to look in the current folder and only the current folder, and please don't walk the folder hierarchy, is to specify the max depth argument. So we could do find, starting in the current folder, and then say max depth is 1, and then look for files that end in .csv. And once again, you can see it only looks in the current folder and finds the bankmarketing.csv file, and it doesn't walk the whole hierarchy and find the other folder that we created. So let's clean up our current training folder by doing remove on the another folder and get rid of that. And now you can see that our current folder just once again has our single CSV file in it. Thanks for watching.